ukika kono enya na enye eya na eye say de bia me betena ya na metaka say yen papa Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ansa na wo begye konwa no o ka kire yen say ye de akonwa na ma obi se oni so ma yenye niama maye onya de ni yi o ma komode yen no kura nso ye hwe ye kotoku mu hwe ye yefu na ye hu se komode yen ana ye to mirika kpukpukpu na ye nyina ye di ejuma ne hye wo nsase gi na ye maye afa wuti akonwa ne so san hwe wechi ana we wanye ni ye wo first time na wo be ye ejuma no ye didi mi aduane busu wo krom ha second year third year fourth year ni na ekomo nkan ana no Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo be kasa kire nga wo se aduane bu o memu aduane bu so wo se aduane abusu aduane wo ho ye didi ame Nana sa agric minister odada o twa nkotompo sane eya enu nti na ya mepe atamis asem no o ho na omonse no wasi form ono nkasa nam tokuro nim o hwe office honom bebia na agric minister tina odada efu no we ma ne nko kire o onko kire bebia aduane ne wo na o ka no ene mo be gina abonti se mo be ban manifesto mani dia mame Ghana youth mame kire mo manifesto na ase manifesto ase kire ni se mani no faster che se political party NDC ni NPP no se ye mana ye boa na wini power na mani me faster anya wusika anya wo pomudi anase wo kan ko no mo hwehwe anya ne ehia wo na ono pe o anya ne ehia ana ono hwehwe nti se obepa adwuma ma se obie adwuma na wanya bia ye mfa no won se Nana ukogina asimpiesu na oba kasa kire yen nia wo ka nyina ne se ana Joma Hama se ana Joma did we place you there to compete with anybody ye ma wadwuma se hwedwuma so ye ma yen ana MPP fo eko gina simpiesu di manifesto tudwa nia meti ye maso ye mebufuo ni se ana yen MPP fo ye we did not give NPP job ya ma MPP fo atuma ye ma Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo wo na ye di atuma hye wo nsa bi ejuma mam timamufo he de bia mete wona metie ne na Nana ta kana ana yebe bie A and B factory yebe bie C and D factory yebe bie ana yebe pranti we ana yebe ye we youth no ana yebe ma loan fair nice enu na ye hwehwe enu na yakoma kondo nanso mo be ka ne fe ye de mo makonwa na mo This is the fact about life. Aha, ye need ni patem, ye chere common sense. O sorry tia ye nga, konkro cases no, eba wo so. Ene me kama what ya say. Enipa bi a wo ye part of those criminology. Mo amuka politician fo ho na omu dada yen se wiawia yen no makukuru sika ko we aye kai se omu bie fan bia ma loan suku fo omu pe loan so be rent dan wo de ti enche obeti na ho na be ka che say $6 million whatever $1 million has been allocated for whatever so and so month and loan wo hwehwe unia wanya mu chefa wonya ba ko pempo ana no mo sori ye kreti ejuma wa ha ye bi ejuma wa ha ye bi ejuma wa ha ko na ko hwehwe ejuma no eche wo mu kotokuom ejuma ne hye wo kotokuom. What are you taking us from, you politicals? What do you see us for? What do you take us for? Brofu kasie brofu tantai brofu hunu ana mukeka gu yasum ana shidi mi ana shidi mi ya yewe awahi nka makuma eye makuma ya me babeka ho asem ni for you to be very proud of what you were able to produce and then tell us Ghanaians. I love that agenda, that drink edimbi also factory bia momo ya mo ye drink and then I saw you selling it during your launch of manifesto. I love that initiative. It was excellent because I love anything that is being produced here in Ghana. But shame on you, Minister of Food and Agriculture, for importing rice, for importing food into this country. Nana Doe, shame on you. Joma Hama went to me and you won't say na yapamono. You couldn't even support. ena ye de hye wonsa ene mo kra mo bekuro mu ha se ndi jenne keke ni odua jenne no no oye noema ye de dade na hye ne mfem. And plans is underway. We are making progress. We are putting plans together. What plans? Kona ko ti asase na fa machine to so na fa nkrofugu so wonu aduane na wonu bro alfa nsuongu so within 2-3 months aduane be aduane wo di aba na yesisa na yedi wo se plans plans. No wonder say book long for any kratatintin for any graduate for nyina komodemo. Se wo hwehwe hia for okrom ha na ye won a omo from who graduate sikane bia ni krom ha oye graduate book long da wo mo so omo ye professor wa ko school wo den degree wo den visa den v hia for koto my pa for won a yan ko school ni bi da no ye na ye hyehyɛ adwuma na gu wo na munya bi ye. Shame on you. Any president, any leader that has come to power and is unable to feed his own nation, you are a disgrace to yourself. This is the fact of life. Me ni obiatem. Me chire onyansa. Me ni obiatem. Yenya ni SNF ni fata. Ene oko hospital. Hwe wa wo temi nken wa wo hwe mi sesei. Won se wo yare. Uni yare bia you can't say wo ha na ye wo ya na wo ha na ye wo ya. You can't say bribia ye oba. Uni pedwe nyina wo bubu. Honam nyina e basa. Where from all these sicknesses? China ni na ye duane ma odi. Ebe de no mfa eduro ngum. Eduro body engum. Ema wo uni nya yare. Ebru a ye di okrom ha. Ye gifi obi man so. Banchi efi obi man so. Ene banchi molebo a dedindi se cocaine. Yay. Woko hospital. Ndru a ye use your hospital ho nyina ye ni abrofo na ye. One thing that I hate na eno so na ya mite hu de bia ene se Ghana fo bribia Ghana ni aye okromu ha bia nye papa. Onpe this phone is made in Brazil, is made in China, Italian phone, Italian suit. Uyo funchi, uyo fui. Shame on you. You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything for yourself. You are a coward. Why would you watch us obi na nye duane ma wuni and why would you mpe we duane nu? Why a coward? Asori mani asofufo a mako hyemu asori dem and awrade obi fia brochire mbeshira mi o obi fa sika mani mi o why a coward? Why a coward? Bible no oka kire yen say insa anye juma no ondidi. A hand that does not work will not eat. Jimmy any adwinfi any adwinponinti na makopake mu ho agu baabi. Me can say yen kwasole me yosofo me wasole. But I don't engage my members. I push them out to go and work. What do I say? This is the fact of life. Apomudin sem na ehu hia me. Obi yare okrom. Dodo na fi yankasa Yesu ban. Ma me famra yan yeso. Ma me koji Dr. Power nkra to me ba na me de abro.
Mama jo babu she ye die duaban. Ifa na ha no shayade. Aniti na me we yare me ba Dr. Power Clinic. He say mo want me. My free. Dr. Power Clinic. We power.
Say humu honamu anasa honam any yare ena hawa and ye make for Dr. Power Herbal Clinic amount osa in Nairobi to say gonorrhea, hypertension, stroke, typhoid fever, malaria fever, diabetes, jaundice, low sperm count, asthma, na semeka seme bobo yare ni nara sodia and ye trese adie beche ama die asen asa. Dr. Power wa abefu infidie papa ɔde sa ne yarewa nyinara ɔsan enso goita anase kompo edro henia a yɛfrɛ no chono nso ɛwɔ no nso ano edro na Dr. Power de ɔde haban ma na ɔde sa yare ebinom nso hɔ ɔbɛma we futuo a kyerɛ sɛ ɔndo sika kapre empo ɔsan so tenase ebena de biara de yɛ honhom mu hwehwɛmu na ɔma ɛho akwankyerɛ tutumrika bra Dr. Power asoɛyɛ na ɔnto yare ase ɛma wo so ɔhwɛ Dr. Power kyira kwan dia ɔwɔ Ashama New Town ni Amui Park. The telephone number ni 020-8478-866. Ni sensi subium 020-8478-866. Dr. Power. Power.
Yapo wundin sem ho hia me. Enkyerɛkyerɛ yi ana metaye dani da mpacho send me WhatsApp message bisa me question ɛwɔ yare a opese me kyerɛ wo ho aduro ɛho hia me pa ɛho hia me send me WhatsApp message ɛwɔ number na o screen so 0242254506 number na ɛwɔ screen so no ɛwɔ MTN Momo so ɛwɔ Gmoney so send bibi kakra fa sponsor show yi fa boa yen so ya sene wo opese wo bo wo advert wo show ni so friend na yen fa nhyehyɛ nto ho na yɛn bo wonso na be advert or program so ehun hia pa Ghana Youth on Fire your movie on the ground. We want to plant our own job, we want to create jobs for ourselves, we want to produce our own food, we want to stop relying on the youth. One say tina hana ye kasa maka cho se mampaniti office meboa won ho manifesto no and agriculture and they are trying to satisfy us with the lies again. We gave them the same opportunity last 4 years. Ejuma bi ani baby a yebeye. Ejuma bi ani baby a. Ejuma bi ani baby a. I have been saying this say Kwame Nkrumah factories na waje egu ho na mukọ CAC e na yenye ejuma ye kora nka common ne Nkrumah. Nso abro ni be yi nti monye. Send you yare a opese me kire weduro emfa ho na me kire weduro a obeye number no ye 0242254506 obi a woyefun eye woya obi a woyem eye woya anase woyem wo okuro stomach ulcer ana obetumi afrɛ stomach wound ekuro aba woyem ye wo ahaban bi a ye frɛ no ami ye wo sadi ye frɛ no sɛn spices bi a ye frɛ no nkete ana ye wo baako bi nso a ye frɛ no dadoa ana pepre ana ye wo baako bi nso a ye frɛ no kakaduro tie ni ye o me repeat me because me time na stand that and ekura me nye sure say me bie phone lines because time na sama elite pa traffic a chim okwan so enti nkete pepre kakaduro o de garlic fra eye nenso garlic no o de fra na esi ho chair ya na asay nti so obetuma ye ne today na wanom eche na wa ye che na de bia na wa de bia de anom de a nka beboa fa nkete fa kakaduro fa pepper na fa garlic twitwani nyina fra enyam obetumi abrand ni de but okay you can brand it if you want if you like o de fa good bottle and a gallon musa after say watwitwa garlic ne kakaduro ne nkete fa good bottle mu no ansuo manenya shepa ennoa duro no don't cook the medicine no ansuo na fa gu eduro ne so o gallon mu fesi ho for the next 2 hours na hwe nanom nom na napa nom na wia nom na nyimre what I say anapa awia enyimre nom na 3 times a day within 1 week no stomach ulcer stomach pain ayera eko ma kire weduro message and WhatsApp messages no me hu question na me di ma kire hu aduro ya aduro be yare be na opese me kire wo hu aduro fa send me sisi a WhatsApp what I say what I say very very important stomach ulcer and stomach wound so you did we funa shekusu and so you mtaya waya I say Mrs. Edro na nom keke ena obi a ugusu didi a dompe ache omene said dompe ablock with throat. Teniye. Eno enkonye bibi enko momwa banku. Ebi to me momwa banku ebobɔ ne te se ball na wato amane echi. Ebe prawo. Ni obeye ani ka usi esi so. Na kata wano. Na che wa home. Na fa akukɔ ntakra. Fa nu wasum. Na nu abe free ato. Ebe free hot at once. Men kan say fa eduro kan na fa bibi ye. Kan usisi so. Na chi wa home. Kan wanu tum sa. Na fa akukɔ ntakra nu wasum. Don't pay na a choke your throat. No matter how big it is, it will fall out. Ebe feel. Very simple. Bede ba ko ka ho ama. Oba ukọ awo so. Awo ye wodin. Ukọ wo ba na awo ye wodin. Teniye. Pe bofre ahaban. Popo na haban no. Tikeke fama obatan no nontina so. Akola na nkasa be pie. Enye magic eduro na ano no. Ana yawo ba wie. Yawo ba ne wie. Na echire ade ne mma. Yewo mpaboa. Na fa bo ne ton. Ebe free prekope. Enye magic. Enye magic. Eduro. Me kire wa ade nde. Kire wa ade pa. Say, me chere ne wan biom. What's up sending you questions so? A draw person me chere no sending. I love your comment. I say to Miss Bell and Tracy Boati to think wise, like being trained from home. O message no. But you can't trace it, but I see Miss Bell asem. I believe so. Person kasa chere youth na omo this idea ni blogging sem na cause social media. You planting. Tracy Boachi nim Tracy Boachi onim da say ade na oye no e beto afa ba bi foforo. On say Miss Bell ayedi. On say Miss Bell ayedi. They planned it. Omo person omo hiti markets. Na mame fa ne se meni opambo na yate na se na ya nhihye se medidi watem na nso na yima no ne social media na de obi be ntokwa se ntokwa de ehu nkrofo ye ntokwa de bia na we be de on social media be de on TV so ana media so they planned it no maka se o post unhu ana waka se we didi we atem nti na omu nim se abontifo be fa ana nkrofo omu ye social media masters omu ye adwinda da gambri chacha na ya mitaka na bie ni na Kennedy ye Japan afa Kennedy ye Japan na wafa na onu so akeka ne de office o ma blogging na ye exciting say na omu nim say ye nim say sa niam no ye comedies concert party na omu ye they planned it. I will expose a lot of things to you as time goes on. This program is not about politicians. It's about the general life, the facts about life. Nti niema pi ebe sisi ni. Ebe yo nwanwa say me researcher me ye anano me kokan bribi ewo social media ni bi so. Na me hu evangelist Adai o say Adai. And also by the same thing I was doing, then I saw him doing it. I could see say oye frequently. Now obia faking who say oye way. Not the competition. Utu mun say yes, Daddy Lumba. Any amachi de ye competition. Omu ye ntokwa o. Nanso hu Daddy Lumba ni amachi de ejina fa ko da. Why? Because Daddy Lumba onwa ni amachi de. Ye koka obi nti ase because ye dey faking wa che aji wadwum. Oh, but the picture, corner you share two pictures, compare them and look at the comparison. Well, I see. I don't want to go to that side. Me need time, baby. Now, and then me dealing with my medicine. Well, opese me chire withdraw. Bisa yare kura, opese me chire withdraw. I say, good evening, Daddy. Please, how do we treat candidiasis? Oh, de puawon. Me to me chire withdraw. Oh, the be twice here because me here o coins, brother, me be. But me chire wedru anka be boa o de poa se o pese utu ase a o koda pe enhye pants enhye pieto Tieniye, and shape you to your bow, your bema, and shape you to sleep naked, allow fresh air to enter there. There are germs God has created there to protect your vagina. Those germs, you know, say would the heat to soa and no emanu, then the body itself creates germs are your friend maggots. Abua DNA your friend maggot, nipa de your friend bacteria, and no na brofudi a diatu a biso a friend candidate. What I say, aye gogomi, me friend a chepro. Adia be bua de na man niate aye fresh air. Nti fi anapako se nyumre mi si ukwan se shepant ba nyimre ukoda rogu ho sleep naked except say we obi a won trust no na wodan mu but yes still help yourself wo shepant dida wo shepieto dida be ma ekoso low sperm oba ekoso candidiasis what I say and wa wo chronic candy etafuru nsi ofi anase scent fi mu ba fa garlic yi hu nyina yi garlic ne hu nyina na fa de wo ho what I say, wo hu wi man kase brand fa de wo garlic na nkasa na pia mon call fa hye ho mani hye ho 3 days yi free wo ko hwehwe na wo hu so don't worry to me melt yira because it goes into your womb clean all those places and the very day I will be inserting garlic be won say nsu fi hu ba seriously ana edru na ma kire di kai ma stomach problem no eya ta no me no so eya ta no na eno so buakum candy kuro ni bi atumi yesa ba nya obi amoja na eji because candy you on the different stages obi ane ne de ma me fa another one answer me ba cho candidiasis enya no na ye friend white ne ye Ghana din an ye de ama candidiasis white it is saliva nsuo na natural water nyame ayegu obabia mu every 5 minutes to self 2 minutes etumi hwe ba na keep the whole place wet it's just like your mouth nsuo bi gina wenum say nsuo na gina wenum no it is there to keep the mouth wet say nsuo no dry off wenum become very dry and we share say anya so sore throat I say as we sit there na keep the place wet no and na friend white candidiasis in white eso no candy and eso no white and say okay hospital na doctor catch us white ye normal and ye candidiasis na o kire o say ye normal ye white na ye normal ye candy Ghana for musia de e amopo bi kasa enso mu mpa desua we say I need medicine for cocoa near wine cocoa near on the different stages wo kire ade a na me say near cocoa ni ha wanka I will have teach you medicine but this one is general cocoa me to me can hear found we see please my husband is in US and we having problem in child na nipa no US na wo Ghana na wo problem e be dey solve manembra no menye pia monko yan hwe say betumi afa Mumbra yen check him na say hu senia identity that will tell what we should do. Hey, messages ni bapa. This is my question. Please, I am very weak in bed or I release very early during sexual intercourse. Eto de bia na ye wankasa. You need to relax your mind to have sex. Oh, you fatigue to me have sex. You have to feel relaxed. Don't be sako de bonyumbi or say one share obeda kwa. So call my parents be a shall be dark watch. I say, oh, pro who too much. I didn't know how could dinner a tune ever for any so. Oh, I say. So sometimes a sexual weakness is not part of the early discharge. Some of them are natural, which means relax your blood system to function. Sex, releasing or pulling out blood. Sex is not for enjoyment, it's not for excitement. Those of you that are taking it for work up, you birthday beer sex. Back on a say party beer sex. What am I meant to ask you? Be so dear. And then upon one parcel, me also we will be talking about a lot of things. It's not even women that. Friend Crawford said, "Na di children kasa. When a friend na di children dito, you better kwasi assembly na." Please, if you see some yellowish water in your breast, what medicine will it? Masa, kona kwa check up. Yenshushe say that. Those of you that love giving out breast for sucking, some teachings you will come on upon Bopaso. We don't suck bloods. We have two different things we do. One to suck, the other to play. One mu sucky bloods, no mu ma cancer. You are generating cancer. We don't suck bloods. You play with the bloods. Min kasa nkwechi na yenye ndru 10 o'clock na akufo ado ankonya hu chance amenyame. Me pacho the voice message ba me to me tie. Just say type it. Na please tell me how to treat my chronic chlamydia. I know the Brabehu Dr. Power Brabehu mi clinic no why. Kumasi China Sunday, Monday me Kumasi. From Monday sa akosi Friday obenya Dr. Power Kumasi one-on-one. Tuesday spiritual checkup. And brother me dig into your spiritual issues. Whatever embargo that have been laid on your life, you will break it out. What I say? Monday me Kumasi, Tuesday spiritual checkup. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday me Kumasi. Friday one man tema me kweja. What I say? Empire eja. Mo mu ni me work on mo appointment am wa be sha me. To America na be hu Dr. Power. What I say? Kumasi mamen kan fofre. Good evening, Daddy. Please, how do we deal with stomach ulcer? Ba machere dro. Se machere dro. One tie ntema me the video no beto Ghana Youth on Fire Facebook page no so na call share back why. Please, good evening. What is the cure for hepatitis B? Hepatitis B. Officer yare keto hepatitis B ye dinkese abrofo de ato yare kuma bi so. Hepatitis B asikyire nyina se wo brebo wo liver no ehun aye kuro anase ehun aye kuro kase chronic one ye kuro kase no. Liver keke ehun adosrade anase aye kuro nti ye wo liver fat ye wo hepatitis B A C all different. But nyina nso ye wo ne classes nti se obama ye check you. Ye check you na ye hu adekode na ye betumi ehun aduro a ye be ya ma we be boa. We say I have cocoa in my head. How will you have cocoa in your head? I don't know where it's located in your head. Still, you want to clear something, but you're not being played. NPP and NDC, we are one people, not to create war in the nation. Insulting each other, if it continue, children will learn from it. Frank, okay, Frank, why had you brought for no more Mafa? Or see NPP ni NDC, ye nipa bako. As far as I am concerned, there is no NPP, there is no NDC. Omu ye 419. Kron 4. I'm robber for na first. Omu to me fetu. No masori ahumachi abe bopun also. Ewi omu no more than the politicians no. Nka minyanka mama kwa ma wafre unsu wabasu bi time nasa ene ma ye late. Traffic anyame. Ama time na dwane enti nyame yadoma Saturday me betena ha me kirendru me promise me kirendru what I say me kirendru planti keep your questions and what medicines you want me to teach you so that me ba ya to me abe kire endru but anajoy 10 o'clock opam wo paso ampaya edwa what I say 10 o'clock anajoy ya tina TV no ho fro bi mo no so hwe bi na wo questions ni na yedru ho no ma seni se hu na yem fazes into ho ene ye be kire ndrunku ya aha the fact of life. Ghana Youth on Fire. Dr. Power Herbal Clinic na so ya sene ema ye di dwumadi ebrew emre ne ebre bia ye betina ha. Dr. Power Herbal Clinic ewo Ashamai New Town ni Amui Park na ekwan ne nim ho pe ofi New Town Junction ekwa farewa ye wo kwan ne ho pe. Fred Dr. Power ewo 0208478866. Dr. Power next week Monday ekosi Friday obenyame Kumasi Angloga Dwum Kumasi Angloga Junction Angloga Market nim Angloga Junction Angloga Market nim enti udu Angloga Junction pe fa taxi ho se wo Angloga je ne dwanim ana Angloga Market ye do beba edwanechi ho na mewo edwanechi pe bebia volleyball park say volley park na dani asori dai enti kase wo call Dr. Power Herbal Clinic Pito Base Angloga Market Pito Base ho a ye wo kwan ne ho pe obehu Dr. Power Herbal Clinic obetuma frame 020-847-8866 020-847-8866 once agro no ye mode enso time ne so a enti number na was screen nani no number na Google screen nani onso fa bi what I say ye wo G money so Ghana Commercial Bank money omo ye mobile money what I say G money send bibi kakra to so ye wo MTN mobile money so sesi amene wo kase na wa send 10 cedi na wa send 5 cedi 20 cedi ye de atua TV ka na yetumi anya tam bebre na ya kasa yetumi yetina ha na metumi kasa sa 3 hours e kire nyama nka nya fe plans gugu akomi nyama kase na wo ho a afi na ebuboba nyame ya duma next week mede mebom body say be kasafa ahemfo apart from say mekire wedru ye be kasafa ahemfo ne enti omagya omu position ato ho ama manyonfo omu tete ye wo kurom ha o ya se me koji Dr. Power nkrato se me kona ma mbebio ma me ne wo be hia wo opambo mpa so anadwo ya e wade shima de nkra TV 10 o'clock anyensa 10 o'clock Dr. Power eja dem sa tu
Mapacho, Bible say, yeah, dear, you are banned. If I have no say,